We'll now talk about the vegetable soup base. This one is more and more popular because the product is also vegan. So it's a gluten-free option, sodium reduced, and also, of course, made in Canada. Talking about the powder itself, you can use it as a seasoning on your vegetable, rice, or any type of food. It's a really nice dry blend to use as is. Feel free to taste it. You will really get that nice balance of carrot, celery, oniony flavor. Using dry vegetable soup base instead of salt on your vegetable will help you to bring a lot of flavor without increasing too much the sodium level. Showing you now how instant the product is. As you can see, adding some water in it, everything dissolves really easily, and you get a really nice vegetable broth to use anywhere in your kitchen, helping you to bring nutrients to your meals. I will today do a vegetable parfait. So I will be using some roots vegetable. You just dice them. A little bit of oil and the vegetable dry blend. So that's going to bring some flavor to your vegetable. You can just use a tray. And then you roast them for about 20 minutes or 15 minutes in the oven. So about 20 minutes later, so what we will do, it's really like a parfait. You can use little portions like that, or you can prepare everything directly in a plate like we will do right now. Using regular unsweet yogurt, you just add some dry vegetable blend. Again, using LUDA H because it's reduced in sodium. Some chive, fresh basil, and you can use any type of herbs. It's really up to you. Nice way to bring flavor without, again, using salt as a flavor enhancement. So as you can see, everything dissolves really easily. So in the plate, I'm using a slice of cooked beet. We'll just add 1 spoon of yogurt, cooked veggies, just add a little bit more. And as you know, there's fat-free yogurt available too. You can just add some radish, fresh basil, some grains. So you have a nice side dish with a lot of vitamins and good for you. So you can easily use a shaker like that to add some flavor to any meal. So you can toast or sprinkle on top of your food. So you can add some to your fish, chicken, even breakfast potatoes, or pretty much anything. Because the product is sodium reduced, it's a nice way to bring some flavor without adding or increasing the level of sodium. What I will do today, just to go a little bit further, I will create a mousse. It's a shrimp mousse to go just on top of some fish to boost all the nutritional. So I will be using some shrimp, some long thighs, grind everything together. Then we can add the dry vegetable base to add some flavor. I'll use some ground chia, again to boost your nutriment. Touch of cream. Then you add a white. And this will create a really nice mousse, a shrimp mousse, and you can do the same thing with any raw fish. So instead of just using seasoning on any piece of fish, you can just use that paste can use your spoon or a spatula. Just try to shape a little bit. It's really as you wish. And then you cook in the oven for just a few minutes until the fish is ready to go. As you will see, the presentation will be different and you will bring more flavor to your plate. A few minutes later, so maybe 8 minutes in the oven, you get a nice fish with kind of a crust, and that crust will bring a lot of nutriment to your meal and also keep the moisture of your fish. So you get a lot of flavor, and it's a nice way to boost your protein, your fiber, or whatever you need to using a mousse or a stuffing in it. So for the plating, I will use just some grain. You can use quinoa or any other type of grains. Again, for the vegetable, instead of using salt and pepper, you can use the vegetable powder. That's going to give a lot of flavor without increasing the sodium level. Always nice to balance the color to bring different vitamins to your plates. And you just slide your fish. So again, remember, fun food, anything tasty, it's always the best way to make sure that your people will eat more and better.